The AI revolution is here. Are you ready? Is your job safe? Is the question buzzing everywhere? A low hum of anxiety in offices and factories across the globe. Artificial intelligence is here, and it's not just science fiction anymore. It's writing emails, designing buildings, and even composing music. Every day, headlines scream about AI's latest triumph, showcasing its incredible power to learn and adapt at lightning speed. It's easy to feel like a massive, unstoppable wave is approaching the shore of our professional lives. You might be wondering if your career is built on sand, ready to be washed away by this technological tide. But here's the thing, fear doesn't create a strategy, panic doesn't pay the bills. Instead of worrying about being replaced, what if we change the question? What if we asked, how can I work with this new technology? Or even better, which careers are uniquely human, shielded from the rise of the machines? This isn't about fighting against the future, it's about finding your place within it and positioning yourself not just to survive, but to truly thrive in a world cohabited by AI. We will count down 20 careers that AI, for all its brilliance, simply can't replicate. These are jobs that rely on our creativity, our empathy, our complex problem-solving skills, and our ability to connect with one another on a deep emotional level. Yeah, I tell you, it may not be AI itself that replaces you, but a person who knows how to use AI better than you do. So we'll also dive into practical, actionable strategies. It's time to stop worrying and start preparing. Let's jump straight into the jobs that AI can't touch. First up, let's talk about jobs that require a deep well of empathy. At the top of this list are healthcare professionals. Think about doctors, think about nurses, think about therapists. AI can analyze medical data. It's a fantastic tool for assisting medical staff. But can a machine truly comfort a scared patient? Can an algorithm hold someone's hand and offer genuine reassurance before surgery? The core of healthcare is human connection. Following closely are mental health professionals, counselors, psychologists, psychiatrists. Their work is built on trust, active listening, and profound empathy. Understanding what is not said can be as important as what is. It cannot replicate the therapeutic alliance crucial for healing. Next, consider teachers and educators, especially for younger children. A great teacher inspires curiosity, mentors students, and manages a classroom of diverse personalities. They notice when a child is struggling emotionally, not just academically. That spark of personal guidance is uniquely human. Finally, we have social workers. They operate on the front lines of society's toughest problems. Working with vulnerable families and supporting people through immense hardship. The job demands emotional intelligence, resilience, and the ability to make difficult judgments in high-stakes situations. An algorithm can process case files, but it can't sit with a family. It can't advocate with genuine passion and humanity. Now let's shift to the realm of pure creativity. Artists, writers, musicians. AI can generate images, text, music. It lacks true originality and subjective experience. It remixes, reinterprets, reassembles. It can't have a heartbreaking experience and pour that emotion into a song. It can't challenge social norms through art born from personal conviction. Chefs, culinary artists, great cooking is an art. They innovate, blending flavors in unexpected ways based on intuition and a highly developed palate. Designers, fashion designers, graphic designers. AI doesn't understand culture, context, or the subtle currents of human desire that drive trends. Our 10th job, event planner. The human planner navigates the unpredictable human element. They negotiate with vendors, calm down a stressed bride, and handle last-minute emergencies with creative problem solving. Moving on, let's explore roles that require high-level strategic thinking. Number 11 is the Chief Executive Officer. They are tasked with setting a vision, building a corporate culture, and motivating hundreds or thousands of people. At number 12, we find lawyers, judges. A lawyer must build a compelling narrative. A judge must weigh moral arguments and interpret the spirit of the law. AI is already being used to sift through mountains of case law. However, the core of the legal profession remains profoundly human. Next up, at number 13, are scientists. True discovery often comes from curiosity, intuition, and accidental aha moments. The human mind is still required to ask the truly groundbreaking questions. 14th on our list is the role of the public relations manager. When a company's reputation is on the line, you need a human who can understand public sentiment, show empathy, and communicate with authenticity. Finally, we arrive at careers where skilled physical work in unpredictable environments is key. At number 15, we have skilled tradespeople. Think of electricians, plumbers, carpenters. While robots are used in controlled manufacturing environments, they struggle in the chaotic, unique settings of a construction site or a person's home. Number 16 is the role of the first responder, firefighters, paramedics, police officers. They work in extremely unpredictable and dangerous situations. Number 17, geologists, archaeologists. An archaeologist can't just send a robot to delicately excavate a fragile 1,000-year-old artifact. Number 18, landscape gardener, arborist. A robot might be able to trim a hedge, but it can't cultivate a thriving garden with an artistic eye and a green thumb. The list continues with human resources managers who mediate disputes and build culture, and even philosophers who grapple with the ethical questions AI itself creates. So we've listed 20 jobs, but let's be clear, that doesn't mean these fields will remain untouched. It has already moved in. This integration is not about replacement, it's about augmentation. AI handles the grunt work and repetitive tasks, letting humans work at a more strategic level. The most significant threat to your job is not artificial intelligence. It's actually a person who knows how to use artificial intelligence better than you do. They're supercharging their output, their creativity, their efficiency by leveraging AI as a co-pilot. By the time the first manager has a single plan, the second has already tested multiple approaches. Who do you think is more valuable to the company? This creates a new digital divide between those who know how to leverage it and those who don't. Resisting this change is the professional equivalent of insisting on using a horse and cart when everyone else has started driving a car. You'll be left far behind in the dust. The first and most common mistake is denial. Thinking AI is a passing fad is a career dead end. The second mistake is passive consumption. Move from passive observer to active user. Open a tool like ChatGPT. Try Midjourney. A third mistake is fearing imperfection. Working with AI is a skill it takes practice and a willingness to fail. Finally, don't treat AI like a magic button. See AI not as an oracle, but as a fast, knowledgeable, slightly clueless intern. You're still the director. The key is to cultivate an augmentation mindset. Ask, how can this technology make me better at my job? Become relentlessly curious. Make learning a continuous habit. Spend just 30 minutes a week. Aim for baseline AI literacy. Focus on uniquely human skills. Soft skills are hard currency. Your technical skills get you in the game. Your human skills help you win. Re-engineer your job. Don't wait. Take initiative. By augmenting your role, you show value and forward thinking. You become the AI savvy human others compete against. First, pick one AI tool and commit to using it this week. The goal isn't mastery, it's exposure. Spend just 20 minutes playing with it. Second, identify the most repetitive, soul-crushing part of your job. Make that task your primary target for AI augmentation. Third, start a conversation. Talk about AI with your colleagues. This collaborative approach makes the learning process less intimidating and more effective. Ultimately, this new era is not a dystopian story of human obsolescence. It's a story of evolution. As AI continues to evolve, the value of these human skills will not diminish. It will skyrocket. Your humanity is your most valuable professional qualification. The future belongs to those who can build a bridge between artificial intelligence and human wisdom. It belongs to you, the professional who learns to pilot this new technology, not be piloted by it. The real question is, are you ready to become AI-proof human? Stay curious. Keep learning. Double down on the skills no algorithm can replicate. The future is not something that happens to you. It is something you build. The tools are in your hands. The time to start building is now. Get ready not just to survive, but to thrive.